Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Sayyid Usama Aziz. Welcome to another video. If you have been following along my YouTube channel, you must have seen me doing all kind of projects, including 3D printed robotic arm, ventilator circuit splitters, 3D printed air blower for CPAP respirator, and 3D printed personal protective equipment. All of these projects are done using a type of plastic called PLA. PLA is very common in 3D printing community, but in today's video I am going to use a different kind of plastic that is called TPU, which is flexible plastic. So let's get started. PLA is brittle, hard and rigid, but on the other hand, TPU is flexible, can be bent or twisted.
Got enough of every melody.
To demonstrate the difference between two types of plastics, I have downloaded a 3D model of Octopus. I will 3D print it with the normal PLA and then using flexible filament. At the end we will compare the two.
'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. How do you do? 'Cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. How do you do? 'Cause I'm feeling so good.
Okay guys, so both of these parts are 3D printed. This one is with the normal PLA plastic, and this octopus has been 3D printed with the flexible filament. So the difference is that this one here, I can stretch, twist or bend its legs. You can see that. And this is the freedom that flexible filament gives us. Every leg is movable in all directions and it doesn't break. But if I try to do the same with this, I cannot do that. They are rigid, they are hard. And you can also feel the difference between the two with the help of this sound. This is like a rubber, silicone, and this is hard, rigid. So this is the difference between these two plastics. Okay, so let's test the strength of these two materials. I have got this and I am outside on the terrace. So let's drop these two from here and see which one survives the fall. As expected, this one survived the fall. This is in perfect condition, but this one lost its two legs. And I've also found its pieces here. If you can see, this is one leg, I think this one. And the other piece is over here. Now let's perform another test. I will try to run it down with car and see. Now to further test out the strength of these materials, I will perform another test. I will put these two octopus on the ground and run the car over to see which one survives. So let's do it.
Oh, my darkest memories might let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track.
Okay guys, so this survived this test as well. So it has perfect strength and flexibility. Okay guys, so I have tried to run my car over this part multiple times and it retains all of its flexible properties. As you can see, all the legs are intact and this part is in perfect condition. So this shows you the great flexibility of flexible parts 3D printed with flexible filaments. So that's it. I hope you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and keep watching.